Hey YouTubers, this is the Fishing Educator coming to you. Want to show you real quickly the bearing buddy. Probably the top and best bearing buddy sealer that you can buy on the market. This is stainless steel. You can get these on Amazon for about 25 bucks. If you don't have one and you are putting your boat in water, you need to get one of these. Basically what these are is these cover on your wheel hub and keeps water and contaminants out. And I've been using one for years. There's not a lot of videos on this on YouTube here, so I thought I'd just put one together real quickly. But this is a 1.98 inch one. You can go to www.bearingbuddy.com to order these. You can also get them on Amazon, like I said, for 25 bucks for two of them. And really high quality stuff. And these are really simple to install. All you do is pretty much need to have a rubber mallet, and you'll line it up on your hub and just gently tap it in. I'll tell you to remove these as well. You basically just hit with a rubber mallet on all four sides and these will come out just as easy as they go in. So this one's in. What this allows you to do is then add grease. When you add your grease, there's a piston in there. And you add your grease. It's an easy way to access and get grease into your bearing, especially if you're going on long trips and you want to make sure that your bearings don't fail. I do this pretty much once or twice a year. You will see the blue piston start to come out. You know you're getting close, but you do not want it to move. See how it's still wiggling? That should be firm, so you want to keep going until it's firm. Then you'll know you have enough grease in there. This keeps your grease clear of all debris. And then when you're done, you'll know you're done because it's really firm. You can't move it at all. Again, that's the bearing buddy. When you're done, simply put the cap on and it'll protect it from the elements. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.